FruitsMax, a seasonal product, goes through 7 steps from nature to your hands. From mineral-rich volcanic soil to the fruit's pollination, blossoming and growth. From hand-picked harvesting to lyophilization. From mixing the 21 fruits and probiotics powder to conducting safety and quality inspections and eventually the final packaging. By using only all-natural fruits, we can produce a very limited supply of FruitsMax each year. But it makes us proud of what we do because we do not use any chemicals or preservatives, only all natural fruits.